As most of you know, I wear Dickies overalls, but I've been let down. They've made the pockets a lot smaller of all stupid things to do. So I'm trying these guys out. Look at that great sticker. You know what that means. That means that I'm going to do some advertising for them on my little race car over here. So I gotta have a sticker party over here. And it's kind of cool. Okay, we're going to put that somewhere. So I'm draining the air out because I got to fix this line. But we're going to bring the, I think something's gone. I think Daphne's just starting to leak a little bit of oil. Might do a little rebuild kit on that. Don't leave oily cloths in your shop. But this burn place, they sent me a pencil and sharpen that end, but that's not right. You gotta sharpen both ends. Don't poke your eye out though. If you poke your eye out, it's your fault. So I'm gonna put these things in my airline, and I'm gonna get a little snow bear over here. She takes 530 12s. So I'm gonna throw those in the back of Daff here, and I gotta take this motor here out of here because it's squealing. So, well, trust me, it's squealing. I gotta clean that filter up anyway. So it's time to, I'm trying to do all my maintenance work. I don't know what's come across me here to do all this stuff, but when your tires get 20 years old, you get tired of it. Where's my Daytona jack? Ooh, I thought that was something alive. It's alive! Where's my Daytona? There it is, I see it, okay. I have a green Daytona jack. Yep, there it is. Okay, whew. It's a mess down here. Oh, I gotta go up and get a cool drink. I had a lot of people telling me that this was unnecessary to put this stuff on here. I have to cut that wire and I'll put a connector on it. Oh, there is a connector on it. It's right there. Never do it that way. Okay. I see. Oh, give me a break. Well, that was a angry little mother. So, but they said don't worry about the dirt and the stuff on this. It'll be just fine. Boy, they have gone to town on that corn over there. Don't want to knock it all in there right at your moment of victory. Get that out of there. Now we're going to get, see how bad this is. Try not to knock any in there. Going to get the air tool out here anyway, so this is going to require just some simple Vims. Well, that's pretty dirty, but those are very cleanable. So I'll clean that out and rip me up some new, put it there, and get that motor out of there. See if I can get a number off of it, because it's squealing like a pig, like an unhappy boar on Goat Island. And he wants to be on Pig Island because he's a pig, see? No, come on. Let's get that over here. We'll put it there. Okay, let's get that out of there. Okay, so I've loosened up some stuff here to help me along my path. And this is a VintageAir. Can't see it anymore, but it is. I don't need to clean the condenser, but there is no filter here at all. So, see if I can get that there. That's the way to do her. There is no cabin filter here, of course. And let's try not to snap anything off. Dadgummit. This has ended up being worse than I thought it was going to be. Oh, crack. No plastic cracking in this world, I hope. That looks like a pretty standard deal. But she's screaming, yeah, I write notes on. Well, I wonder why. I don't want to put it on my new cover there. Ooh, she's tight. Oh boy, that's never gonna work there. Yeah, I thought I might try to rebuild it or something. No, that's way too tight. That's gonna, I wonder that didn't catch on fire. Well, let's see what I can find out about it. show you a trick on how to get these out of here. This one was already cracked, and there is the little clamp that held it on there. But you can't really get this stuff in a vise. So if you get just a socket that fits over that, and this, and a punch, and you need both hands, of course. But you see where I'm going with that, and you can drive it out of there. So let's try that, because it's in there good. I don't know if it comes with a wheel or not, but I'm trying to find numbers is what I'm going for here. I guess I could just call VintageAir. I'm sure they're all the same, but we'll see. I don't know if I gotta get this wheel off or not, so let's just do it. Just, you know, pass the time. I'm waiting on my tires anyway. Okay, that worked fairly good. Put that there so I don't lose it. And put this stuff back. And throw that away. And that goes down here if you ever need a punch and you're around the shop. That's where I keep them. Well, maybe I can just get the motor. I don't see any numbers on it yet, but that thing's cracked up. But you ought to feel the drag. I can't even turn it without the fan thing. That thing is locked. Well, that's the way to go. Well, they make JB Weld for a reason, so be okay with me. Well, I did find something on it. Take that up to the house. It is a DCM. And the part number is, of course, melted away, but it does say made in China. So, I don't know. Let's see what else I can find. So, it's a 4-wire, but it's a 3-speed. I don't know. I guess the white is power. I don't know American color codes and don't really care. See what I can find on this thing. Well, I looked it up, and it's a 40151 or 52-VUG Victory Ugly and Gross VUG. That's my phonetic alphabet. And they're $73. What? Really? They are available in 2 months? Are you kidding me? You can get the whole assembly. You can get the whole assembly here for that? $100? November 22nd? Are you kidding me? We're going to take this thing apart and see if I can fix it. How about that? It always turns out being something, doesn't it? It makes a squealing noise and then it runs, so I don't know. Let's see if I can loosen it up some. I seem to have a little bit of time while I'm waiting on those wheels. Well, let's take a look and see how they're doing. It's been a couple hours. I think they've done that whole field. Look at that over there. Let me stand in the shade. It hadn't been that dry. But there's some massive farming going on. There goes Cindy. Hey, Cindy. Don't need any eggs right now, please. Got enough. So, yeah, she died. My uncle used to love me, but she died. That is actually a song. And there's those filters that I kind of built for this thing. Just wet them, soak them with a little Dawn, squish them around in your hand some, and a bunch of dirt flies out of them. Alright, well, let's go up here to this healing bench. Da-da-da! Or, I got both kinds. Da-da-da! But I know you're not supposed to do this, but I don't have any electric cleaner. So I'm just kind of going to blow this thing out of here. And it barely moves, so I know I could put a cloth under it and catch the dirt, but I think we've all seen enough dirt. I'm just going to spray it out. And I'm going to drop some. I'm going to see if the back comes off of it. Don't put any power on it now. Whoa! Let's just see if that helped any. Yeah. It helped a whole lot. It helped a whole lot. I'm working on that framing thing, I promise. Whoa. I mean, that like night and day. Well, I might have saved myself $100. I don't use this a lot. I mean, I don't use Daphne all the time. I use her once or twice a week. And danged. I don't use much of stuff like that. It does come in handy for some things. Wire size, aux size, pretty cool. That chart right there is about as complicated as I get. Well, let's see about taking the back off of it. Don't sound too bad. Okay, let's see what it's like in there. That would be 3/8. I won't hit the ground now. Just fixed it. There's 3/8 right there. Just take this cloth. Okay, let's see what we get when we take it apart. She doesn't seem to want to come apart. I've tried to kind of give it little glancing blows with the dead blow, and I think they have glued it and sealed it, so that doesn't surprise me. They don't want you in there. They want you buying another one. And I'll be honest with you, as nicely as that turns, I think what we're going to do is we're going to use a little Lockies and assembly lube and see if we can just get a little something going down there. Yeah, it's better already. Look at it. It almost spins on its own now. How am I going to get it down in there? I think I'm not going to use this. Let's see if I can get it close to the edge and just see if I can get a little bit of Lockies. I don't know how much is coming out. Let's see if that helped any. Yeah, that's going to be a go right there. That is an absolute go. Yeah. Man, oh Mosey, is that lucky. And the more I practice, the luckier I get. Okay, and I don't mind that graphite's not flammable. Okay, so let's just see. Let's just go plug it into the truck and just turn it on and just see how she spins. It's on that side anyway, the heat control. So let's, isn't she here? Yeah. Let's put the keys in her. We'll just see how she spins. Don't put it on my new cow seat though. Okay, she's all hooked up here, and let's turn the key on. Okay, and then we'll turn this fan switch on here, and we'll see. Well. That, my okay, well, that's really something there, gang. We're talking happy joy there. That's $100 just jumped back in my pocket. We can take that. I think I did the new bright on this evaporator not long ago, like in the spring. And I think you can see, I'll use my camera and I can, wait a minute, let's flip that over. Pretty doggone clean. That filter matters. Let's get some air, blow that dust out of there. But that evaporator's clean. I'm not going to mess with that. But I'll tell you what I did was, see where I could see that silicone? I cut a little window here. I did this on Mix Lexus. And you can spray the new bright on there and it'll just eat that gunk right off the evaporator. Your air conditioner works twice as good. So let's just get a little air and blow that out. This is funny, isn't it? I don't like working in the sun, but anything can go wrong. Will go wrong. But this ain't gonna take too long. Okay. See if I got there now. Yep. Might as well just do this, huh? That's how the vacuum cleaner got invented. They used to use compressed air. I think they used it to clean the throne for the queen or something. And then somebody said, hey, why don't you do that the other way and put a bag on it? And they did. Worked pretty good, huh? Good idea somebody had. Wish I was related to people like that, but I wasn't. Okay, let's put this fan back together again. She's all plugged in. She's got her clean filters in place. And let's see what we get here. Let's turn everything on. There's the fuel pump. Yeah, don't squeal like a pig no more. Woo, smells like stuff. That really blows. Huh. That is really nice. That's better. I don't have anything to show you, I guess, but yes, I do. See, blah, blah, blah. See, it's blowing that up there. That's got some weight in it, too. That's got the little radio thing, so that's pretty good. So just clean and lubricate. That can often be your culprit there. Okay, I ain't got the call on the wheels yet. This is just a secondary thing. Oh, let's go back in and cool off, I guess. The air conditioning is much, much better. So this really worked out well. So there you go sometimes. Very, very happy. I have put probably 100 miles on her over the past couple of days, and I have never been happier with the cooling system. It's been in the 80s, early 90s in temperature on Fahrenheit, and it's just unbelievably better. Things just degrade over time and you just don't notice it. So just go in and check on that and do your maintenance and all that stuff. So it's just like new. And I will tell you too, you know, I check the charge and everything like that, and that ester seems to help the system too. But nevertheless, it blowing on you is a good thing. So give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And just couldn't be. Maybe it's because I painted that top white. Maybe that helped. Repainted it white. She looks sharp, don't she? So anyway, let's nobody. Oh, they did. They took that trailer. All right. Well, tell everybody bye, Daphne. Bye, Daphne.